In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove card details from Alibaba. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and a few practical tips to keep your account secure. This is helpful if you no longer use a card, you've reached a spending limit, or you just want tighter control over what's stored on your profile. Start by going to www.alibaba.com and signing in to your account. Using a desktop browser makes the navigation clearer, but the steps are similar on mobile. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, have your verification method ready so you can breeze through the login. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one profile for work and personal use. Once you're in, look toward the top right of the page for your profile icon. Click it to open your account menu. From there, select Account Settings. This area houses everything related to your profile, including security, addresses, and payments, so it's the right place to manage what's on file. Inside Account Settings, find and click Payment Settings. This takes you to the section that controls how you pay on the platform. You'll see options related to saved payment methods and billing. What we want is the list of stored cards. Choose bank cards or cards on file. This page lists any cards you've previously saved. Take a moment to identify the card you intend to remove by the last 4 digits and the expiration date. Accuracy matters here, especially if you have multiple cards stored. Select the card you want to remove, then click Delete, and when prompted, choose Confirm. You may be asked to enter your password or pass a quick security check to verify that you're the account owner. After you confirm, the card should be removed from your saved payment methods, and it won't autofill at checkout anymore. If you don't see the delete option, or it's grayed out, check whether you have a pending order, an active refund, or an open dispute tied to that card. In those cases, finish or cancel the related activity first. If the card is set as a default payment method, switch the default to another method and then try again. If issues persist, contact Alibaba customer support and mention that you're trying to remove a stored card. To double check, refresh the page or revisit payment settings to ensure the card is gone. You can always add a new card later during checkout or directly in payment settings. As a final security tip, sign out if you're on a shared device, and remember that removing a card